Ki khubor ka bate si TV.
Pindon kam da ka Mahindra Power Roll India's #1 generator. Pinlat ka khuslai lahamiet nishai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem jing khuslai. Phah University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Kita transport jangka sorka jilla kala pinmi dega circular ban pintip ling baga jing pintrekam yaka motor vehicle act but yaka central motor vehicle rules la sha yaki rupat ba ban kamai yaki thok arshaka u commissioner jangka transport udidi sangma hagaji kram akabati CTV ulia tho baga sorka jilla minta kala pun khreru yaka standard operating procedure hagabaya day baga jing pinmi yaki kendon jangka rent a bike scheme but rent a cab scheme yaka ba on sepin manashan daga sorka jilla Ulaya thuak baga jing pinmi yakan ka scheme kalau hadirin baga jalla kladon ya ka rule ka ba jingbit dik thok arshaka ban kamai hasurang ya ka tip kom Meghalaya bike taxi aggregator rules Shushu uloang bakindo kido shimet dikikin hon ki betmu ban penya ya ki bike taxi kopi kali kamai ki hab ban register yaladi haba office district transport officer
The transport department has issued circular whereby Transport Department has reiterated about use of private vehicles as commercial vehicles. This is nothing new. This is as per provisions of the Motor Vehicles Act and the Central Motor Vehicle rules. So this circular has been issued by the government, keeping in view of the concerns of the some public and the some individuals. But meantime, government of Meghalaya in transport department also has already prepared a scheme guidelines or SOP, standard operating procedure, like rent a bike scheme guidelines or SOP, rent a cab scheme guidelines. These schemes or guidelines will be notified by the government very soon. By these two schemes, we propose to address the concerns of our local youth, and there are some entrepreneurs who are planning to operate taxis or bikes as commercial vehicles. Under the current rule, we have got what is called Meghalaya bike taxi aggregator rules. All the bikes have to, as of now, they have to come under the rules. Any individual or group of individuals, if they are intending to operate as bike taxis, as of now, they have to register themselves under that rule in the nearest DTO office. But then there are so many problems. Maybe because of high registration fees involved in that under the scheme. So some youths are finding, especially those individuals, they are finding difficult to register under that taxi aggregator rules. To resolve that concern problems, by these two schemes, rent a bike scheme and the rent a cab scheme, government intends to solve those problems. Moreover, the government of Meghalaya in transport department also has floated requests for proposal, inviting the software developers, entrepreneurs, IT partner for mobility aggregator application for design, then maintenance of that app. So this will be the platform for bringing those bikes, especially the bikes or the cars which do not fall within the ambit of those taxi aggregator rules. So government, once it is fully developed, individuals can register themselves within that platform.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music, and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.